tumekuwa na issue ya wizi na vandalism ya transformers for the last 2 months. Tumepoteza around 40 transformers worth around 120 million. But today early in the morning, tulikuwa na bahati tukaweza kupata information from members of public, our officers from Kenya Power. They swiftly acted on the information na wakaweza kupata hii ngari ambayo ukiangalia iko na namba ambayo iko concealed, wamekata namba zingine, the fingers imebaki the numbers KDH, but the fingers wamekata to conceal identity. Nataka kuomba members of public, wananchi, ya kwamba in case wakiona, na especially mahali wananchi wanakaa, stima zikienda over sudden, elia moja ni mzuri sana, waangalie mahali transformer iko na waweze kujulisha Kenya Power officers.
You can imagine we are asking REREC, Kenya Power to give us last mile. And what we witness is the vandalism of the same transformers that have been installed in our own constituencies. What has that done? It has deprived people of electricity in their homes. Some are welders. And in fact, this is economic sabotage. And we want the ODPP together with the county commander and the DCIO to take very stern action against these 5 who have been arrested. It's very unfortunate.
So we've lost a lot, and we are really calling a lot members of public to be vigilant, because this one amounts to, as mentioned, it amounts to economic sabotage.